Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about all these shortcut keys, starting from the control key A to Z. Okay, we are going to explore all these keys which are controlled by this specific key, control key CTRL, control plus A to Z. ठीक है, Ctrl A select all, Ctrl B bold, Ctrl C copy the text, then the duplicate, E center line, Ctrl F find text word, Ctrl G group the different objects. Then next is to ungroup the objects we will use Ctrl Shift G key, then Ctrl H to replace the word, Ctrl I italic, then Ctrl J justifies. These are different alignments is over here. Then Ctrl K used to add hyperlinks, then Ctrl L is for left alignment, Ctrl M it will give you a new slide, we will see one by one, and then Ctrl N new presentation or already saved objects you can use by pressing Ctrl O. You can open any project or presentation. Ctrl P is used to take a printout, then Ctrl Q will quit the program, and then Ctrl I right alignment, save the presentation, Ctrl S, Ctrl T open the font dialog box which is over here in the font group, it's over here. Okay, find the font dialog box. Okay, then next is Ctrl U underline, it's over here. Underline the text. Ctrl V is for pasting the text that you have already selected, then Ctrl W will close this window currently you have opened that. Ctrl X is used to move or cut your text, and Ctrl V is finally a redo, and Ctrl Z undo. Then finally you need to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's take a start. One by one we are going to apply all these skills. So first of all, let me go back to my presentations over here, ancient wonders of the world. I'm going to apply Ctrl A key. Let me use my on-screen keyboard. Here's my on-screen keyboard. First step by step, this is a control key on your, this is my virtual computer keyboard. Just press and hold Ctrl key button and now click A. It will select the text. So first of all you need to do what? Click here in the text box. This is text box. Can you see when I click in this slide, it's the PowerPoint presentation, and all these keys are basically used for the PowerPoint presentation specifically. So click here. Now I'm going to press Ctrl, hold, and one time A. It will select this text. Now Ctrl B. This is Ctrl A just for selection the text. Now Ctrl B. Ctrl B will bold all this text, bold it. Can you see that? Automatically bold will apply. Again Ctrl B and it will remove this bold, remove from here. Now text is selected. Now Ctrl C key, Ctrl C to copy the text. Now I want to paste it over here. Just give enter button over here at the end. No, let's see it's work or not. Backspace. Okay, just click here and give enter button. Okay, now I want to do what? We have done Ctrl C, copy the text. Now let me check it's copied or not using Ctrl V. Yes, paste it. It means that we have successfully copied the text and pasted over here. Now Ctrl D. Let's see what is the practical application of Ctrl D. So in PowerPoint presentation we will use what? Control, click here, press Ctrl D. Yes, can you see here we have created two different duplicate of this copy. Right click here and you can even create a duplicate slide from here, but the shortcut key is Ctrl D. Now Ctrl E. Ctrl E is what? First of all we need to select this Ctrl A. Now I want to apply Ctrl E. Ctrl E is what? Can you see over here in the alignment group, paragraph group, it's over here. Ctrl E is used for center align. Okay, so press Ctrl key, hold one time and press one time E, and it will move your text to the center of this slide. Okay, now Ctrl E done. Now Ctrl F. So press Ctrl button one time and press and hold key, and now F, it is used for what? Click here and it will, this will appear over here. Find a specific word in this whole slide. So I'm going to find let's say I'm going to find Egypt. I'm going to type here Egypt, EGYPT, Egypt. Okay, now find next. Egypt, done. Okay, whenever you want to find a specific word, you need to type what? Ctrl F, and then you need to type that word that you are looking for, then click on next, and then it will take you over there in the PowerPoint presentation. So now we are moving forward to do what? Now going to apply Control, which one? Yes, Ctrl G. Next key is Ctrl G. Let me click here and it's over here. Let me place 2 more images. Click here and let me go back. Okay, let me select this one. These are the 2 images. These are 2 different images that I am inserting over here in this presentation, so that we can apply Ctrl G. Ctrl G is used for to group different objects. So let me try this. Let me waste my on-screen code is over here. So first of all, we need to select Ctrl G. Ctrl G. What happened? Nothing. Okay, just first of all click here, press and hold Control key button to select multiple items. Click here to multiple objects, just like that. Let me resize this. Okay, let me place this over here. Control key is pressed. Now I want to play. This is pressed, already pressed. Now select the next object. Both are selected. Can you see there? Now do what? Press hold Control key button and Control one time G. Control G. Now it will created a group here. So when I want to move this, I'm able to move this in a group. Now what if I want to break this? The one option is Ctrl Z, but I want to ungroup this. So I will do what? Press hold Control key button along with Shift key, both are selected. So now do what? G, ungroup. Now you can move this image anywhere. Okay, just like that. Interesting. Now we have done till Ctrl G. Now let's see what is the purpose of Ctrl H. Next key is Ctrl H. Let's see. Control. We have done, yes, it's used for replace the word, not hyperlink. Hyperlink is Ctrl K. So let's try what? Ctrl G, replace the word. For example, I want to replace a specific word. Find and replace lighthouse. Okay, I'm going to replace this lighthouse with Mombati. So let me use what? Ctrl H. Find aa gaya. Okay, let me use convert Egypt with I want to replace this Egypt word with Pakistan. Okay, now click on next. Okay, now let me do what? I just simply do what? Replace all with Pakistan. Replace, done. Oh yeah, done. No, let me revert this. Okay, by pressing Ctrl C key, undo. Click here to Ctrl Z. Done. Yes, Ctrl Z, done. Now Ctrl S to save your work. Ctrl S. So where were we? We will have reached till Ctrl H. We have done till replace word. Now italic. Okay, let me apply italic word. Let me first of all select the text, selected. Now I want to apply the italic. So italic means click here. Okay, just let's use the keys. Ctrl A, select all, just click here. Done. Okay, now apply italic. This is italic over here. You can directly apply, but we will use this shortcut key Ctrl I to apply the italic. Can you see this? Now undo, Ctrl I, remove the italic. Done. Okay, now what else? Ctrl J, justify. It's also part of the alignments over here. It will add extra spaces on both sides, left and right. So let's apply over here. Yes, let's apply here. Okay, first of all we need to do what? We will do what? Ctrl A, selection done. Now we want to apply what? Can you see there is a spaces over here? Okay, it's not well aligned, so I will do what? Ctrl J. So this is Ctrl J. Done. Okay, now moving towards the next part is so okay, yes, after J now we are moving towards the K. So it is used to add the hyperlink. So let's add the hyperlink. For example, when I want to click on this lighthouse, it will take me towards in the Google Lighthouse. So I need to click this, select this, and select this text highlight lighthouse, sorry, then Ctrl K is the shortcut key to add the hyperlink using PowerPoint presentation. Do it. So now is asking for the web address. So let me add web address over here. Let me pick the web address using Microsoft Edge, Google, and I will just write here Lighthouse Karachi. Okay, let me write here Lighthouse. Manoda Lighthouse. I just want this URL. So copy this, then go back in your PowerPoint presentation. Is over here. Just paste this address over here. Okay, whenever you click on this text, it will take you over there. Click on OK. Now this is underline. Can you see this? This is now underlined. It means now it's a hyperlink. So let me try this. It's on number 10. So number 10, this one. Can you see this? So when you bring your mouse pointer over here, these all are the text. When you will bring your mouse pointer over, it will turn into hand and its address will appear. Just click on that and it will take you directly over there. Yes, over here. Hyperlink done. Okay, now moving towards the next one. Let me close this. Go back. Okay, now Ctrl K done. Now what else? Ctrl K. Now we are over here. Ctrl L, left alignment. So I'm going to apply left alignment over here. So select the text and do what? Use on-screen keyboard and apply what? Ctrl L. This is L. Done. It's the left align. This is center line, not left align. So let me select this one again. Ctrl L. This is left side line. Now what if I do what? Ctrl E, center align. Okay, Ctrl R, right align. Okay, Ctrl E, go back. Okay, fine. Ctrl L, done. Left align is used to do move to your text on left align. Now Ctrl M, new slide. It will insert a new slide over here. Let me add new slide over here. So by using the Control key, Ctrl M. No, just click here on the slide to Ctrl M. Hello, just click here on the left side. Now press Ctrl M. Control plus M. Control M key is right now it's not working, but shortcut key is Control M. Okay, So move towards the next one, Ctrl N. Ctrl N, it will take you to the new presentation. Let's try Ctrl N. It will open a new presentation, presentation 1. Let me close this. Now Ctrl O, if you want to open already save your project, so Ctrl O is a shortcut key. Then it will take you where to open a new presentation where you have saved that. For example, let me show you this. This is on screen keyboard. By pressing Ctrl O, it will take you to the side where you save your presentation. You can click on that and open that presentation. Cancel. Okay, now Ctrl P is used to print your current document. So Ctrl plus P, it will take you to the editing mode. Here, from here you can change. For example, I want to select how many slides. Click here. There are several options here. Full page slide, no. I want to add 4 slides on a single page. Can you see this? That's how you can use Ctrl P. Okay, now let me go back, close this. We have done till Ctrl P. Sorry, now Ctrl Q, quit. Let's see, it will quit what? This PowerPoint presentation or what? So let's use our Ctrl Q is used to quit the presentation. So let's use this Ctrl Q. It will close the presentation, current presentation. Okay, let me go back and let me load it again. That was the Ctrl Q. Now we have done till Ctrl Q, quit. Now moving towards Ctrl R, right alignment. We have just checked that. So let me select this one and apply it. Let me use this Ctrl key on the right side. Here's the right side. So applying this Ctrl R, right align. So let me put it in the center again. Ctrl E, center line, and Ctrl L mean left align. So let me put it back. Done. Okay, now Ctrl S is to save your presentation in the current location. Done. Okay, now Ctrl T, font, open font dialog box, then Ctrl T. This option, character spacing, font dialog box will appear. From here you can change the font color, you can apply underline, different styles over here, and so many things you can do using this one, and even character spacing, expand or whatever. Okay, it will help you to expand your character. So then there is what we have done till Ctrl T. Now the last phase, Ctrl T, done. Now Ctrl U is used to underline. So I'm going to underline this one. Select the text. So do what? Press Ctrl U. Apply underline. Underline this selected text. Done. Okay. Now let me remove this again. Press Ctrl U to remove this selection. Remove the underline from your selected text. Now Ctrl V is for pasting. It's written here paste. Okay. First of all, we need to make a copy of the selected cell. This is selected text. Ctrl C. Now I want to paste it. For example, I want to place this over here. Give a one space. Okay. Then Ctrl V. Can you see? I've pasted over here this text by using Ctrl V. So let me change its color so that you can see. And let me change its writing style as well. Okay, good. Ctrl V, done. Now Ctrl W to close the window. So let's try close the window. Ctrl W. Do you want to save the changes you made to the ancient? I don't want to save that because it's going to quit my window. Don't save. Okay, gee, everyone, we have done till Ctrl W. Only X, Y, and Z left. X, Y, and Z. So let's try X, Y, and Z. Where? lighthouse, X, Y and Z. I'm going to use this Alexandria. I'm going to do what? I'm going to apply Ctrl X. Done. Okay, now that I have to remove that text from this line. Okay, now I need to do what? Now I'm going to do what? Control X and Y and Z left. Y is what? Control Y. Nothing. Okay, that's called a redo. Let's do undo. Control Z. Now apply Control Y to check to redo. Control Y. Undo. And it's written here. Control Y to redo and Control Z to undo. Thank you very much. Hopefully these all keys will help you while you are working in the PowerPoint presentation environment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and stay blessed. Take care. Long live Pakistan.